to the weather forecast now. Well, it's going to be a crisp and sunny winter's day today, but it will be cold. The temperature will only reach 3 degrees at the most, but at least the wind will be just a light northerly breeze. This evening, temperatures will dip rapidly to below freezing, and the night will be bitterly cold and frosty with a low of around -7 degrees. Well, that's the Midlands news. We're back at 5:30. Finally, let's take a look back at the biggest organised New Year celebration in the country. More than 70,000 people saw in the New Year in Birmingham Centenary Square.